Hey there, this is Greg Koopman, and I just want to show you a little tip that I discovered, which probably 99% of you already know maybe, but for that 1% that doesn't know, couldn't figure it out like me, this is for you. Anyways, Udemy. I love their videos. I purchase a lot of them, always on sale, of course, practically. And I enjoy them, as well as YouTube, of course, but I enjoy Udemy just as much. Anyways, I always had a problem. Let's say this particular video, right, spans 19 and a half hours, right, with all these great videos, this great content. But, you know, after I watch it and I remember, oh, that video had some information I need to find, need to go back to and find. Well, that is a very laborious chore to go through this sequentially and try to figure out where that tidbit of information is. So I wanted to find the lookup and the search so I could search an individual video for the content, but I could never find the lookup where I could do the lookup. I was always looking up here. And I came in here, I saw Q&A and overview, and all this time it was right in front of me, this little lookup button here. And if I click that, I get the search content, and then I can type in whatever I want. So this is what is this? This is a Microsoft Azure Administrator course, and with all this content. So let's just say I want to look how to administer SQL Server for some reason or other. And I go ahead and type SQL Server in here, and lo and behold, it shows all the different places where the word SQL Server was used in the content. So let's say if I look at something called RBAC, role-based access, and there we go. Here's where RBAC is listed. And then you just click on it, 332. He starts talking about RBAC in section 6. So if I click there, it goes right to it here. And up above,
you can have more drill-down authorization with the help of RBAC.
There we go, right
That's
there.
That's nothing but resource-based access control.
Right, how about that? Nice, huh? Point is, as the lookup is here, I always thought it wasn't. I thought that was a really bad thing. I couldn't find it on the Google because it was probably so obvious to everyone except for me. But just for those that didn't see it obvious, I decided to make a quick little video to help you. Because it does, I'm very happy I found this. Thanks a lot for watching. See you later.